All right, folks, here we are again. Isopropyl alcohol. Okay, I'm gonna show you the cleaning uses of this stuff. Some of it's fictitious and some of it's real, but I tell you what, it's a real good cleaner for surfaces, and I'm gonna show you those. All you need is your store-bought isopropyl alcohol, a spray bottle, a microfiber towel, and all you're gonna do is just spray the towel. Never spray it on directly, spray it on a towel. Okay. Get it wet, and as you can see, this counter looks a little rough here, okay? Wipe it up. Look at this. And it doesn't leave any streaks either, so it's pretty awesome the way it works. Okay, use the other side, dry it up. Air dry, and kapow. I mean, if you look at the area here, it is perfectly clean compared to the way it was. You know, I'll bring it a little closer here so you can see it, okay? Here's the part of the surface that's not clean. As you can see, there we go. You can see the fingerprints and the discoloration of whatever marks are there. And then boom, you go to the cleaned area and it's just sparkling. Okay, that's just countertops. Let's go to another part. All right, isopropyl alcohol works very well on glass. Okay, I sprayed my rag. Now I'm just gonna go up and down, clean the surface. Get all the stray marks off. All right, and then I'm gonna go to the other side to make sure I got that side, and then you will see the difference. Okay, now we're on the other side of the glass here. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch of spots, and well, you can see that dog too. But anyway, if you look down, you can see all the weird debris and marks on here on the glass. We're gonna hit it real good here. I've already sprayed my rag. Okay, we're gonna hit it real good. Then we'll use the left side here as the, to show the dirtiness of the other side compared to the clean side from the isopropyl alcohol. So here we go. Get it all wiped up. All right. There's the old side here. If you can see the line, there's actually a line right there of the dirt. If you can see it very well, but it's actually super clean on this side. It doesn't leave streaks. This will all dry up and the streaks will go away. It really is a great window cleaner. And I tell you what, it's really awesome on mirror glass too. I'll show you in just a second. All right, where mirrors are in the bathroom here, and all kinds of stuff gets on here. As you can see, spot right there and there. There's just spots everywhere. Okay, you just put the isopropyl alcohol on your rag, microfiber, up and down, left and right. Boom. Super clean. You don't see any of the marks back anymore here, here, and here in the mirror. It's just gone. We go to a control here. This control right here, if you can look, you'll see a whole bunch of, there it is, some of the spots right there. It's right behind the towel there. It's hard to see, but right here, just boom, left to right, up and down, and it's gone. That's not just it, folks. It works on chrome too. All right, we're out here in the garage with the chrome on my step boards here on my Yukon. Okay, it's got a lot of spots, a lot of debris. Okay, I've already soaked my rag with isopropyl alcohol. Check this out. Here we go. We're gonna stay on this control right here. Boom, boom, boom. Get it nice and clean. Okay, you always want to spray it on the rag because you do not want to get the isopropyl alcohol on the plastics. Okay. Okay, I'm using the microfiber towel. Look at that. Compared to this area here, as you can see the spots, it's rough. It's debris. You see a line right here where it's clean, and then it goes on to cleanliness here. Okay. Now it's kind of hard to see with the speckles on the floor here, but that is complete. This is where it stops. This is where the debris is still on. Okay. And this is the control here where it's clean. It's super smooth. It's clean. All the debris is off. All right. The stainless steel refrigerator with all its lovely marks that everybody leaves. Food debris and everything else, and who knows what else they have on their hands, mud, dirt, whatever. But look at all this stuff. It's all on there. It starts to accumulate, and you just want to get it off. Well, I tell you what, spray your rag with isopropyl alcohol. Look right here, look right here. We're just gonna look right here. We're gonna hit it real quick. And the greatest thing about isopropyl alcohol, it doesn't leave streaks like all the other chemicals do. You can see where it worked and where it wasn't applied right there. You can see the line. See the line right there. That's where it wasn't applied, and it's still dirty up here, but we can take care of that. And we can take care of the front too. As you can see all these nasty little marks and handprints. I don't even know how a small child's handprint got 5 feet up in the air, but oh well. Here we go. Knock it out. No streaks, folks, just like counters. When I clean counters or anything that's like a sealed material, it's going to come out streak free. Look, the streaks are going away. It's drying up. Boom, shalaka bang. Here's another nasty print here. People wash their hands. They should. They really should. And it really just takes the food and debris right off. It's great. Works like a champ. So, mirrors, glass, countertops, chrome, stainless steel. What more do you want out of a product? Just go get your standard store-bought isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, 70%. The one I buy at Costco right here comes in a 2-pack. Really cheap. A decent spray bottle you can get through Lowe's or online. Okay? And a microfiber towel, because it doesn't leave like little hairs and debris and lint or whatever on there like the other rags do. And that's all you need, folks. It's awesome. Works like a champ. Works for me. Good luck. God bless. And good luck.